Hello guys, so today we are going to make noodles. This is a lemon turka flavor full meal. Okay, so first of all you have to 3, 2 and do it like this. Pour 2 cups of water. First, second, after 2 minutes it will be look like 3, 2, 1. Okay, so the water will get hot. Place a cap and now open this 3, 2, 1. I was thinking it will be in square circle shape, but it's in square shape. Put your noodles in it. Going. So here I get 2 packets. This one is full masala and I think it will be sour. I don't know. Cap on it. Oh wait. What about noodle? Take the chammach, I mean spoon. Oh wow. It is hot. Cap on it. Okay, the both masala is the bigger one, the small, and I add the bit of chaat masala. It's probably too much. Okay. Wow. Shall we do it? Yes. Pew, pew. I want to add more masala, but I don't have masala. More masala. By the way, I don't know. I didn't do this. Masala do this. Mix. Mix. Oh my god, it's probably hot. Oh my god. Mix. La. 3, 2, 1. Oh wow. Now let's check. Oh, it gets hot. Hot water come in my hand. Ah. It's cooked. By the way, it is not ready now. Yummy. But it is hard to. It is hard. You have to taste it one time. Can you see it? It is looking like a shoe. Hey, don't touch me. Wow. I don't want soup in it, but okay, I don't want soup in it. I'll make the soup like a drink. 3, 2, 1. I made it. I made it. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Here it is. The drink and the meal. Is it yummy? Let's. Oh wow. Yes, take it home. Chicken flavor, lemon turkey flavor. Mix it. Thank you. Oh wait. Subscribe and like. I see you didn't. Do it now.